Hello everyone, my name is Wojciech and I'm the CEO of StethoMe, AI-powered automatic and remote lung and heart screening solution. So our mission at StethoMe is to create smart solutions that improve primary care diagnostics. And we are doing that by using our experience in machine learning to improve subjective examinations with science-based methods. Examination with traditional stethoscope is one of the most popular types of examinations when it comes to primary care. But at the same time, it's really subjective and it really depends on the sense of hearing of the doctor. Based on the sounds from the lungs and heart, doctors very often make really important decisions, as those sounds in many cases are the first signs of many important diseases. And scientific publications show that even up to 80% of those sounds are being misclassified by family doctors. This is one of the reasons of 65 million patients being misdiagnosed in EU only. And on the other hand, we have even up to 72% of unnecessary primary care visits. And the reason for this number is simply the fact that there are simply no other methods to verify your health care problems. Hopefully, Informatica can help us with that in the future. So at StethoMe, we create unique lung and heart screening systems that allow to do a quick checkup without leaving home and with precision that is higher than traditionally used methods. So let me now explain you how it works. Everything starts at home with our smart device. So the patients are using the device to record the sounds of lungs and heart. The process is very simple. It's guided by our mobile app. And after the data is being acquired, it goes to the cloud where our AI algorithms are analyzing them. And our AI provides instant feedback to the user. So the feedback that allows the users to monitor the health condition of lungs and heart in real time, anytime they want and anywhere they are at the moment. And of course, if there are any problems detected by our solution, a detailed report is being sent to a telemedicine partner, and they may provide a telemedicine consultation to the patient. StethoMe is the only medically certified AI algorithm and device of its kind on the market. So we have been verified by TÜV Nord as a CE Class 2A medical device, both the hardware part and the AI part, which is the first such AI algorithm to detect abnormalities in the lungs in the world. So to achieve this certification, we had to perform a study proving effectiveness of our solution. So the most recent studies published in PLOS ONE or in European Journal of Pediatrics by Springer shows that our AI solution is even 29% better than the doctors. And it was possible thanks to our very big database of lung sounds. I can easily say that right now we have the biggest database of lung sounds in the world, which is described by the doctors. And to achieve that, we require to have an expert team. So our great team is a combination of business and science. So from the business part, myself, Paweł and Martin, we've been working together for more than 14 years, created an IT company, sold it, and invested our money into this project. And from the science part, we have Honorata, who is a PhD, and Professor Jędrzej Kociński, with a very strong background in the acoustic field, which was very important in our solution. We also work with some great advisors, and we have Professor Lesiak from the healthcare perspective, a very well-known cardiologist, Gianni Michelti from ST Microelectronics when it comes to hardware, and Rami Kalish from Pitango Ventures, the most important Israeli-based venture capital. We also have a great team of engineers, so all in total we have 27 people working for us full-time. We focus mainly on the machine learning team, so 6 engineering focusing only on development of the algorithm. They are working very strongly with our strong network of over 30 doctors and 6 hospitals, so they are gathering the data and evaluating algorithms for us. All that is possible thanks to our software created by the software team, mobile apps, and the platform for the doctors. The device itself, it was created completely from scratch in our offices in Poznań. This is in fact really sophisticated piece of hardware, more than 200 electronic components inside of that, so created by Tomasz in our offices together with acoustic team, which was focusing on delivering the best sound quality. And we have a growing sales team which is working on pilot studies right now, and great support from marketing and finance team. When it comes to the market, although the device, the solution can be used by everybody on the world, as a small startup we have to focus. This is why we are focusing on families with kids, as we believe that for this target group we can deliver the biggest values. So this creates us an opportunity of over 10 million euros of total addressable market and over 11 billion euros of potential savings to healthcare providers. Of course, there is a lot of competition. You can see some of the players here around. But what is very important when it comes to competition is that the first part of the competitors, they are focusing only on hardware. So they are just delivering the devices to the homes and that's it. They do not have any AI analysis. So in fact, few of them already got in touch with us because they are interested in our AI. So they may become our customers in the future. And there is a group of companies which is working on AI, but in fact, we are the first and only company that managed to CE certify AI algorithm for detecting abnormalities in lungs. When it comes to the business model, we are focusing on B2B2C, a business approach. Again, as a small startup, we do not believe that B2C would be so successful for us. This is why we are working with telemedicine-related companies. So we are working with telemedicine providers, insurers, and private healthcare providers. Right now, we have over 107 active partners that are talking with us actively. Out of them, we have over 30 that paid for our solution. 18 of them are doing technical integration, and 8 of them are already discussing the prices for the first initial orders next year with us. We are still pre-revenue company, so till the end of the year we are focusing on pilot studies. And we have, as all these companies are located in different parts of Europe, in every country we have different healthcare system and different payers. We have to be very flexible when it comes to our business model. That's why we are starting with a subscription-based model where we are giving the device for free and then we are charging for every user for every month, or the complete opposite scenario where we sell the device for much higher price, but then all the services are included for the next 2 years, and after 2 years there is a small fee. I believe that we do not have to discuss that telemedicine is something huge that is happening. All the reports are showing very big growth, but we have to remember that we are just at the very beginning of this transformation, and this is in fact very important. So this means that it's quite tough times for companies like us being here, but at the same time it's a huge opportunity to become the #1 player in next coming years, as the trend is going extremely high. Right now we are rising, so we are looking for 6 million euros for the commercialization phase of our product. So we want to put it on the European market, at the same time preparing for US markets and China. But also we believe that our AI, our technology, is our main competitive advantage. This is why we want to keep growing our algorithm, make them more effective, add additional functionalities, so we will be always ahead of the competition. And based on our estimations, we expect 25 million in revenue at the end of 2025. So that would be it from me. If you have any questions, I will be very happy to take them. I'm also here till tomorrow evening, so I'll be happy to provide you a live demo, show you how the solution is working, and provide you more details.